Welcome to our guide on the top 10 best places to visit in Austria. Austria, a beautiful country in Central Europe, offers a diverse range of attractions for travelers of all ages. Here are our top 10 must-see locations. 1. Vienna. The capital city of Austria is a masterpiece of Baroque and Classicism, famous for its rich history, stunning architecture, and enchanting music scene. 2. Innsbruck. Nestled at an elevation of 2,750 meters, Innsbruck is known for its unique mountain climate, which influences its picturesque architecture and popular skiing destination. 3. Hallstatt. A picturesque mountain resort town surrounded by lakes, Hallstatt is a true alpine paradise, known for its colorful, traditional architecture and charming village atmosphere. 4. Freiburg. This medieval town is steeped in history and boasts a beautiful castle, perched on a hill, as well as a rich art and architecture scene. 5. St. Moritz. Set among the Swiss Alps, this luxury destination is famous for its world-class skiing and leisure facilities, as well as its luxurious hotels and restaurants. 6. Ohrid Lake. This picturesque lake, located in the northwestern part of the country, is known for its natural beauty and is home to the ancient Starry Most or Old Bridge. 7. Banff National Park. This stunning national park is home to breathtaking mountains, pristine lakes, and diverse wildlife, making it a popular destination for hiking, camping, and wildlife watching. 8. Ischgl. A popular winter sports destination, Ischgl is known for its world-class skiing and snowboarding facilities, as well as its fun and exciting adrenaline-pumping activities. 9. Graz. The capital city of Styria is a vibrant city with a rich history and a modern urban atmosphere, famous for its beautiful architecture and well-regarded wine culture. 10. Wachau. This picturesque region of rolling hills and vineyards is known for its stunning scenery and is home to charming villages, well-preserved medieval architecture, and delicious wine. With its rich history, stunning landscapes, and welcoming people, Austria is a country that truly offers something for everyone.